If the 2014 Dilma Rousseff-Michel Temer campaign had been found guilty of illegal payments, President Temer could have been removed from government, and impeached President Dilma Rousseff would have been stripped of her remaining political rights. But by a narrow margin, the judges accepted the demand by the defense to disregard the most compromising pieces of evidence, such as the information obtained in plea bargains with current and former construction company executives who confirmed the illegal campaign donations. Lawyers argued those charges didn't count because they were inserted into the case when the process was already well underway.
The president is relaxed about the legal issues, but concerned with some initiatives that are considered inadequate. His conscience is at peace. Here the defense is expressing what the president is feeling.
The lead judge, who made the case report, said all the evidence should be taken into account, and he voted for conviction.
Meu voto é pela cassação.
President, my vote is for the annulment of the president elected in 2014 due to abuses that have been verified in these 4 processes.
But Herman Benjamin's vote was not followed by a majority of the other 6 judges. In the end, President Michel Temer was acquitted 4-3 and remains in power. This trial was the most direct threat to Temer's government, so victory was a relief for the president and his allies. But Temer has other challenges ahead if he wants to maintain his political power and prove he can lead his administration to 2018. The charges dropped in this electoral court trial are still part of an ongoing investigation authorized by the Supreme Court into corruption allegations against the president. Temer's base of support in parliament remains shaky as other parties consider whether to remain in the government or to abandon it. Recent polls show approval ratings for the Temer administration below 10%. Temer needs to show all his political skill to make sure this victory won't be short-lived. Paulo Cabral, CGTN, São Paulo.